Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you and I've got a Roccabox. It's got my address on the front there. So if you're new to Roccabox and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But if you've heard it all before and you just want to see what's inside their February box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box was kindly sent to me for free out of the blue. I wasn't expecting it and I had it a few days ago, so it came a little bit earlier than usual as well. I was on Roccabox's PR list last year, but I didn't receive the last couple of boxes, so I assumed that maybe they've taken me off. As with a lot of brands, they switch around people to do videos and things for them, so I just thought, oh, maybe that's what's happened. But yeah, this came out of the blue. So I've got it for February. Roccabox is only available in the UK and it's a monthly beauty subscription. If you opt for a monthly rolling subscription where you pay monthly, that will cost you £15 and then there's £3.95 shipping on top. If you opt for a 6 or 12 month subscription, it brings the cost of the box down a little bit. But to bring the cost down even further, if you opt for a pay up front, then you can get your boxes even cheaper. For instance, a 12-month subscription, instead of £15 a month, it will bring it down to £12 a month and then shipping on top. So inside you get anything beauty related, and we also sometimes get a free added freebie. Now Roccabox had a bit of an overhaul over the last couple of months. I believe it was August or September. They brought out Roccabox, sort of luxe Roccabox. So the prices have increased a little bit, but the products are more pricier, more luxurious products in the boxes. I've been a subscriber to Roccabox on and off since they started back in 2017. But yeah, as you'd expect with most subscription boxes, some months are better than others. All comes down to personal preference. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I can find any discount codes or any freebies, if you are new to Roccabox, then I'll seek them out and I'll pop them down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening this up and seeing what's inside. Now I have had a quick sneak peek. I couldn't help it. It arrived and I was thinking, ooh, have they sent me a limited edition box? Because they do limited edition boxes and mystery boxes. But no, it's an actual February box. We got a little leaflet there, a money off voucher for some coconut milk. You get a card and it details everything about the products, so I'll refer to that as we go along. Some worms to give you a bit of a sneak peek there. But I'll go through it in detail. They say, while we are in no way implying that a selection of beauty products can tackle full-blown insomnia, we are confident that certain beauty products and wellness products contain ingredients that do noticeably enhance the quality of our sleep or effectively improve our ability to fall asleep. Trust us, we've tried them and seen the benefits. Likewise, there are many skincare products out there that deliver far more effectively when used overnight, and not to mention partnered with a decent night's kip. We've put together a collection of expert-approved, tried and tested products that either improve sleep quality, improve your skin's quality as you sleep, are designed purely for nighttime use, or will simply enhance your nighttime spent horizontally. Worth £71.50 alone, that's enough to help you sleep at night. This is the perfect night's sleep in a box. Everyone that receives the March box will receive a newly launched Jekka Black Liquid Concealer. Wow! Which is worth £10, and it says don't forget to update your shade preference in your profile to make sure we send you the right shade for your skin tone. So everyone will receive one of those in their box. Anyway, let's get on to the first item, which is Murad. This is an AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser and there's 60 mils here. I've tried this before and I do really like it. I think I've only ever tried little tiny minis before, so it's nice that we've got a really decent size. Yeah, fantastic brand. They do amazing skincare products. This is classed as a travel size and it retails for £12. A trio of skin refining acids, salicylic, glycolic and lactic, unclogs pores, sheds dry skin buildup, encourages cell turnover and renews your skin, while jojoba beads gently buff and polish. So that's the first item in the box. Next, we got a product by Beauty Pro, and this is retinol, ocean retinol 1% overnight serum with sea kelp and pine oil, and there's 30 mils here. Now I've just unboxed, actually, before this one, another box. It also had a product by Beauty Pro and from Murad as well. I am really happy this month. I can't get it out, just show you. That's what it looks like there. Let's just try a little bit with my hand. Whoop. You're not going to be able to see anything. No. no scent. This is full size and it retails for £15. This overnight plant-based formula is enriched with ocean retinol, seaweed kelp, complex and organic pine oil to improve the condition of your skin, leaving it looking noticeably rejuvenated, more even skin tone and smoother with just a few nights use, and with visibly reduced signs of aging, less pigmentation and less blemishes over time, and with more regular use. So you've got a retinol serum there. Next up, we got something for the bath. This is Skin and Tonic, Slow Down Bath Soak, cedarwood, eucalyptus and CBD. And there's 100 mils here. I love the little bottle that it comes in. That's lovely, isn't it? Woo! Woo-wee! Woo-wee! Eucalyptus just hits you. We don't have a bath anymore, which I'm gutted about. I keep all my bath products that I receive in boxes to use for foot baths. I've got a little foot, I want to say bucket. It's not a bucket, bowl is much better than a bucket. So a few little sprinkles, and yeah, my feet get all the benefit of the soak. But for this, because it's got eucalyptus in it, I'd imagine this to be really nice for a facial steamer as well, or especially if you've got like a cold or something like that. This is full size and it retails for £9. Soak up the healing powers of the forest with an invigorating blend of cedarwood, eucalyptus and rosemary oils. While mineral-rich Epsom salts will detoxify you and boost magnesium levels, key to relaxing muscles and inducing sleep, natural CBD from upcycled whole hemp, no less, will rebalance your body and calm your mind. The perfect tonic to help you slow down, breathe and let go of your busy day. Next, I thought it was a drink, but it's not. It's a body oil. This is by Paul Yacomin. I think that's how you say it, from London. It's a Huile de Perfume, natural fragrant body oil. 50 mils there. You might not be able to see the writing because of the ring light. My nail's too long, I can't do it. It doesn't want to open. Like, it's one of those ones that you have to get a knife or something to prise it open. Do you see what I mean? Oh my word, this is full size and it retails for £32. Wow, 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 wow. Slather this deliciously deluxe body oil that combines soothing tropical floral notes of ylang-ylang, bergamot and mandarin essential oils. Oh, but it smells gorgeous. With hydrating and collagen boosting rosehip oil and omega-7 fatty acid, rich macadamia nut oil for a skin boosting treat that will nourish, hydrate and replenish your body as you sleep. The addition of bergamot oil, a natural cleanser that helps unclog pores and balances sebum levels, means you don't need to worry about the oil blocking your pores if you sweat in your sleep. A true beauty sleep enhancer. And just guess what, I can't open it. Managed to do it. I managed to do it, right. Oh, it smells nice. Just put a bit on my hand there. Yeah, it smells lovely. It's not too overpowering. Oh, that is really nice. Yeah. £35 though. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's a pricey oil, isn't it? A little one. Yeah, that is really nice. So there you go. So, oh, we got one more item left. One more item left. And it is a sleep spray. This is by Feather and Down, Sweet Dreams pillow spray with calming lavender and chamomile and essential oils. And we got 50 mils there. I've already got one of these, so I'm going to be passing it on. I've got a few of them. I use them a lot. I use them every single night. I share them with the family. Mainly my daughter uses them, but I'm going to see if she wants one of these because I do have 2 or 3 of these at this size as it at the moment. So this is full size and it retails for £3.50. 83% of testers fell asleep quicker than usual after using this pillow spray, including us. Spritz this dreamy mist over your pillow, duvet, bed linen, even your pyjamas, and let its calming infusion of lavender and chamomile essential oils get to work reducing your anxious mind, calming your nerves and creating a restful atmosphere to help you drift off. For me, it does not work. And that's not that I'm slating it at all. I've got ADHD, so my brain is constantly whoo all the time. So I've always struggled to sleep at night. What works for me is to leave my phone downstairs, obviously, so that my brain isn't stimulated by a phone in front of my face. But I've got an oil diffuser behind me and it's got a little light in it as well. Listening to that for an hour or two and you can hear it sort of bubbling. Oh, I love that. And I've got an Alexa this side of the bed and I play rainforest sound music. I could still be awake by the time the 2 hour has clocked off on my little diffuser, but but I am more relaxed. I've got body oils, I use sprays, I use everything. They do relax me, but I haven't found anything that knocks me right out. But it does for my daughter. She notices when she doesn't use these sprays, she doesn't have a good night's sleep. Isn't that strange? I would love to be able to experience that, but unfortunately I can't. But anyway, so those are all the products inside this month's Roccabox. So I'll just gather them all up and do you a bit of a recap. So we've got a Murad exfoliating cleanser. We've got a skin and tonic bath soak. We've got a Beauty Pro overnight retinol serum. We've got a Paul Yuccamin body oil. And lastly, we've got a pillow spray by Feather and Down. The thought behind this month's theme I think is brilliant. Definitely a sleepy time box there, something relaxing with the cleanser, the sprays, the oils, the soaks and the overnight serums, etc. So yeah, really great thought out as far as the theme goes. The products, there's some there that I haven't tried before, so I'm excited to give them a go. But there seems to be quite a few products that are lower in price. Not that that should take away from their use or anything like that, just that this box had a price increase. It used to be £13.95 including shipping, now it's £15 and £3.95 shipping, so it's jumped up by £5, which isn't a lot. But the value of the box seems to roughly have stayed the same. But I haven't received the last two boxes, so maybe they have been higher in value. I believe one was over, say, £130–40. There's no denying that that is definitely worth it. Not to say that this isn't worth it. I think the products are great. I love the fact that there's Murad in there. That bath soak, even though I haven't got a bath, yeah, it's going on my toes. And if I've got a cold, it'll be like a facial steamer. Help me breathe then. The only thing I won't be using is the pillow sprays because I've already got some, but I'll be passing it on to my daughter. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? What do you think of the subscription? Are you a regular subscriber? Have you received your box yet? What do you think of the products compared to previous boxes? Or are you watching this for the first time wondering if this is a box for you or not? I'd love to hear what you think, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.